want to talk about a pair of clothes that I actually live in. It's these barrel jeans from Gap. I get so many compliments on them, but I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I am about 150 pounds. I'm 5'3", and I'm wearing these in a size small because they are a bit oversized, but they're just so good. I love throwing these on. The waistband is also very stretchy, so you can make it tighter by tying it or not tying it, but it pretty much like stays attached to me even if I don't tie it. I live in these jeans. Like, there's not a day where I'm running errands and I don't possibly have these barrel leg jeans on, and I love the shade of them. They come in a few different shades on Gap's website, but I got them in this color. I think these are the best pair of jeans that I've gotten in a while. I also have traveled in these and wore these for really long flights because, again, it's stretchy at the top, and it's been great to travel in if you want to wear it as an airport outfit or if you want to wear it for errands or to go out and style. But these are absolutely so much fun and I'm obsessed.